Welcome to this technical guide on the Asus FX607J. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're watching this, chances are your screen is cracked and hard to use. This can happen due to drops, pressure, or everyday wear and tear. If left unfixed, it can lead to further damage, affecting the internal components and possibly making your device unusable. To get started with the repair, you'll need a few tools. Gather a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, tweezers, and a replacement LCD cover specifically for the Asus FX607J. The first step is to ensure the device is powered off completely. Disconnect it from any power source and remove the battery if possible. Next, you'll want to locate the screws holding the back panel in place. Carefully use the Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws, keeping them in a safe place. With the screws out, use the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back panel. Be careful not to apply too much force, as you don't want to damage any of the internal components. Once the back panel is off, locate the cracked screen assembly. It's usually secured with a few additional screws around the edges. Remove these screws and gently disconnect any cables attached to the screen. Make sure to note where each cable goes, as this will be important for reassembly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, carefully lift the cracked screen off the device. Take your new LCD cover and align it with the connectors. Press it gently into place, ensuring all cables are properly connected and secure. Replace the screws you previously removed to secure the new screen in position. Once everything is tight, reattach the back panel by aligning it correctly and pressing it down firmly until you hear it click into place. Finally, replace the battery if you removed it, power on your device, and check that the new screen is functioning properly. To prevent this issue from occurring again, consider using a protective case and screen protector for your Asus FX607J. This can help absorb shocks and prevent cracks from everyday accidents. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.